Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description, and remember, this is just my personal experience. Hey everyone! If you're looking to disable age restrictions on X, formerly known as Twitter, then you're in the right spot. It's actually a pretty straightforward process. First, open up your X account and navigate to your profile. Once there, click on Edit Profile and adjust your date of birth. This is key to bypassing the age restrictions. After updating your birth date, it's crucial to modify some privacy settings, specifically those related to sensitive content. To do this, go into Settings and Privacy. Within this menu, locate the Privacy and Safety section. Once you've found it, select Content You See. From there, choose Sensitive Media. You'll be presented with several options regarding graphic violence. You can be warned about sensitive media, view it immediately, or prevent it from ever being displayed. Select the option that best aligns with your preferences. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the age restriction on X. So there you have it. Thanks for tuning in, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.